It is a first alert weather day. We already have rain on the radar. We have most of the morning. We will see several breaks. So although we have a first alert weather day today, tomorrow and Wednesday, it does not mean it will rain the entire time. In fact, we'll see long breaks between the rain, but certainly the threat of rain and even a few storms is there. Right now, most of the rain is south of the metro. As we take you inside the perimeter, a few showers mainly north and east of the perimeter across Hall County, moving into Jefferson. But right now, getting a bit of a break unless you are south of the city where we do have that scattered rain. First alert weather day continues for off and on rain today. Tomorrow, another first alert weather day. We'll see rain and even a few isolated storms. And then Wednesday morning, a first alert weather day. Very early rain in the morning, followed by a fairly big drop in temperatures. It will also be windy. Temperatures right now feeling pretty nice with the rain. It's not extremely cold out there. It's 56 right now in Atlanta, 54 in Covington, 55 in Rome. It will stay cloudy and wet off and on throughout the day today. Notice it's not going to rain the entire time. In fact, from now until about 4 or 5 o'clock, only a 20% chance of rain in Atlanta. But then we'll see higher rain chances as we head towards the afternoon rush hour, with off and on rain in the evening. Speaking of the evening, very mild for this time of year. Temperatures will be about 20 degrees above average. These are the lows, near 60 degrees in Atlanta. And then tomorrow, even warmer, climbing to the mid 60s. So yes, we have rain. Yes, we have storms, but temperature wise, it will actually be relatively mild the rest of today and tomorrow with those off and on chances of rain. Now, with that warmer air, the threat of storms increases tomorrow in areas south of Atlanta, Troup County, Meriwether County, Pike, Lamar County, Upson County, under a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather. So an isolated severe storms with damaging winds and lightning is possible tomorrow. On top of that, we'll be watching for the potential of very heavy rain, mainly south and east of Atlanta, where some areas could see over 3 inches of rain. So let's go over the hour by hour timing. We'll get a break through the early afternoon, but by around 5, 6 p.m., we'll see some scattered rain back in the forecast. Another break overnight. Again, tomorrow morning, a few showers and storms with even higher rain chances tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow, the highest chance of rain will be in the afternoon. Then again in the evening into Wednesday morning, very early Wednesday. We will see rain, but by the middle of the morning, those rain chances diminish and temperatures will drop on Wednesday. Highs only in the 40s and right around 50, and it will stay cold after that. Thursday, a high of 49, a high of only 53 on Friday. So warm and wet with first alert weather days today, tomorrow, followed by much colder temperatures by the middle to end of the work week. All right, good. The afternoon rush hour commute, hopefully everyone is going slowly. That is why we issue these first alert weather days. Certainly may take a little longer for your loved one to walk in the door this afternoon. Because of this, we have scattered rain on first alert radar. The rain is moderate to heavy in some areas. Wherever you see those oranges and those reds, those are some heavier downpours right now, moving just south of the city of Griffin over Spalding County, moving over Pike, Lamar, Upson County, moving through McDonough, Henry County into Covington, right along I-20, seeing some heavier downpours as well. And along I-20, we're seeing some heavier rain as well, especially west of Atlanta, all the way from Carroll County to Douglas County, down into Fulton County, where you have some spotty showers. Then north of that as well, Bartow County over Lake Galatuna to Cherokee County, we have some rain. This is why today's a first alert weather day, not for a consistent rain, but for off and on rain that we'll continue to see. It is paired with some milder temperatures. It's 62 degrees right now in Atlanta, so somewhat mild for sure. That'll be the case all night. We are not going to see a drop in temperatures this evening. We'll stay in those 60s as those rain chances continue off and on throughout the rest of the evening and overnight hours. Tomorrow, as first alert meteorologist Patrick Pete just showed you, we do have a low risk of severe weather, mainly in our far southernmost counties. So Pike, Lamar, Upson County, Troup, Meriwether County could see an isolated severe thunderstorm. It's on a scale of 1 to 5, it's a 1. So a very low risk of seeing stronger storms, but some brief gusty winds will be possible as those temperatures stay in the mid 60s. Again, we're not going to see a temperature variation much at all between tonight and to tomorrow, and even through tomorrow night as well. Highest rain chances tomorrow are in the late morning and through the afternoon. So noon, 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. That's we'll see some heavy downpours, some thunderstorms, and even some isolated severe storms. Here's a look at the latest timing morning. Right now, most of that rain south of I-20, but we'll see that lift north through the metro around 9-10 p.m. We get a bit of a break overnight through early tomorrow morning. So if you go to work at 6, 7, 8 o'clock, it will be mostly dry, but by the middle to late morning and through the afternoon, that is when we'll see those highest rain chances around 3 p.m. Soaking rain possible. Certainly, it is expected to be an impact on the afternoon commute. That is why tomorrow is another first alert weather day. The rain tapers off late tomorrow evening, but still some lingering rain Wednesday morning. Very early Wednesday, we have some rain. Once this rain moves east, it will be followed by breezy and cold conditions. Remember, we're in the 60s right now. We'll be in the 60s tonight. Mid-60s tomorrow, and then this is the Wednesday high temperature in the 40s and right around 50. On top of that, it will be windy, so it's going to feel even colder. It's going to be a big shock to the system, which is why even though the rain ends very early Wednesday, it's still a first alert weather day. It will be windy and significantly colder, and that cold air stays with us all the way through the rest of the work week and into the weekend and even through Monday with highs in the 50s.